All right. I'm gonna hop on real quick. I got fucking stumped by this annoying ass question, and I don't know why, but I froze when I was solving it, and that shit pissed me off. So I really want to learn how it works. And there was another question. Oh man. So yeah. So this is gonna be a quick stream. I just want to hop on and do a review so I don't forget. But it's like, oh, I didn't even open the YouTube. But it's like it felt like an easy question. I googled it after and it wasn't an easy question. It was a medium level question, but I felt like I could have solved it, but I just froze when I was solving it. Shut up, shut up. Sorry, my stream is going. So I'm pulling up the chat right now. So I'm gonna go through it a little bit. Um, it's gonna be so quick. I don't think anyone's gonna hop in chat, but I'm just gonna pull. I'm gonna review it because I felt like I solved it before. I don't know why I couldn't get. I didn't even get like. I struggled getting a brute force solution, which was tough. So it sucks, but at least now I know, and I can do a little bit more review. It's been my first technical question I had to do in a while too, like under that pressure. It wasn't even that much pressure. The people I was talking to were really cool, but regardless, I screwed that shit up. So we are going to Python 3. Oh wait, no, not Python 3. And then longest substring or whatever dot py. Right, and then so we have a class solution, and then we have longest substring. And we're gonna import from typing, import list. And then we gotta, I think it's like you return a string. What the fuck, whatever. And then we can go ahead and s equals s dot longest substring. So let's do s1. Let me make this bigger. That's pretty big. All right. So S1 is going to be, so there should be nothing in there. S2 is going to be, what is it? What substring he get me? Fucking, let. So that should be, oh yeah, it was letter or whatever. Yeah, so this one should be Eddie. And then if I do that, change that to R. This should be just et still. What if I add a E here? Right, et. So this is the longest, but there's also other substrings. Let's make this a substring, ABA, right? So ABA is a substring that we can look at, but the longest one is this. So we need to return that one. There's also other little substrings like ETE and ETE, but that's also a thing, right? And so I haven't looked at the actual solution yet, but I'm gonna write what I remember so far and then review it after. Def is palindrome. So it's the longest palindromic substring. Okay. Palindromic. Whatever. And then here we need some type of string S, and then it's gonna return something. All right. Oh yeah, self is palindrome, and then here I put a string and then left and a right. Oh, it was so annoying. I kept mixing up my variables during it, and so I was saying y and x when I really meant L and R, bruh. That's just tough. Anyways, let me try to remember. Okay, so pretty much the goal is we're given a string and we're trying to return the longest substring that is a palindrome, right? And so the base case is if there is no string, so if not s, return nothing, right? And then what I did is I initialize L equals 0 and R equals len of S minus 1. So we have left and right on both sides. And then we can go ahead and do a while loop, right? I think so. Now this is the brute force way. I had a small inkling of the optimal, well, a more optimal way I felt, but I couldn't really get all the way there, which sucked. Whatever. So longest substring, we put S1 in there for now. We'll just put letter actually. Nope, it's S2, right? And then, oh man, oh man, oh man. Let's see what I'm doing. Wow. Wow, L. Well, what was the while loop? We want to move L and R, so while L does not equal R, right? I think. Well, let's do is palindrome first. So we can do for letter and string. Nope. Is while L does not equal R, right? So if they are not equal, do that. And then if they are, we do left plus equal 1. And then R plus equals 1. And then we can do return true, right? So in the long substring, we did while L does not equal R. So the goal here was to match L and R first before we check if it's palindromic, right? Because if it is a palindrome, then we can say like if S of L equal R of S of R, then we also want to so if S of L equals S of R, so if they are the same, we can call it is palindromic. So is palin and self dot is palindrome. What do I call it? Yeah. Of S and then L and R. If that returns true, then we can do return. Well, what I did was I did if len of longest is greater than or equal to if len of longest is less than len of SL2R, we can then go ahead and reinitialize it. Longest equals SL of R. So we're reinitiating it. So if we have something like ABA, right? Oh my god. We're gonna have L here and then R here. Have L here and R there, and then they're already equal. They don't equal to each other, like the indexes, but the values are equal to each other. So we can check if it is palindromic, and then that will return true in theory. And so after it returns true, we can check longest. The len of longest is 0, and the len of S slicing L to R is going to be 3, right? So 3 is greater than 0, and then longest will now equal ABA, right? And so now in that test case, we need some way to just return longest at the end, right? The problem is this is brute force, right? And then it's not even done yet. So after we got the passing case, and then if it isn't, we just decrement R by 1, and then we can say, so if it isn't, right, if it's like, so correct is ABA, let's say ADA, ABDA, right? It'll be ABDA, sorry, IJ, and then this one, it will be AJ here. And then so we're pretty much just trying to find another A. So if there was A here, and then this would return the string, not this. So we're trying to move J down to see if we can find something. If there wasn't anything, like this is S, and J goes down, we can then move this up 1, right? And then we keep doing it. There's no palindrome, so this will return nothing. Yeah, and so we move R down, and then if L equals R, well, if R equals L plus 1, I guess. That doesn't make sense. So this condition is kind of messing me up. What do we put there? I think this ends when, well, L does not equal to len of S, I think. And then this will be if L equals R. I think that was it. Let me try to do this in Excalidraw. So in this brute force selection, I am trying to try to zoom out a little bit. Whatever. So in theory, we have, let's say, letter, right? We have letter, and then I is here, and then J is here. Oh, it's left and right. Left and right. And so L0R is in there, and then let's run through it. So does L equal len of S? No, it doesn't. Well, it should be len of S minus 1, right? We'll see. And then are they equal to each other? No, they're not. We move R down 1. Does R equal L? No, it doesn't. We go again. None of it matches, and so we set that here, and then this is at E again, right? Now we try to go this again, This doesn't match. This matches. We check is palindrome. We got et, right? And then this will keep going, and it goes back here. This goes up. This will keep going, go up, and we find no other, and then we just have et. Now that's slow as fuck. What's up, Roshan? Himanshu, what's up, bro? It's smallest, longest substring of a palindrome. And so I think it works in theory. Let me try the other test case I did. So abadala. So A, B, A, D, A, and then we have left and right. And then left we go. So they're equal, and so we check if it is palindrome. It returns false, right? It returns false right here. And then we go back. And so it returns false, and then r minus 1. And then if L equals R, it doesn't. So then we check again, and then here, so ABA. And then ABA would be loaded in, and then R would be set back. After ABA gets loaded, R gets go down one more. AB. Yeah. And then L keeps going. And then we keep moving L up until it equals. And then there's ABA and ADA. So I guess either would work. Let me see. Change in here, and then ABA, DA. All right, let's try testing it. Huh? Oh, am I not in Tmux? That's tough. Let's try this. Go back, and then go. Let's do it here. Python 3, longest substring. Get nothing. Fuck. All right. No, I should make it vertical. Yep. And then we can do Python 3. And so this is S2. S2 should give us et, but it did not give us et, which sucks. We can print longest here. Shit, that sucks. So longest never gets changed, huh? So letter, we really want it at L equals 1 and R equals whatever. So 1 and R equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 at 4. So 1 and 4 should be right here. So we do hit 1 and 4. Oh, good thing. I did fuck up my solution real good. So that's nice. Right, longest. Am I slicing it wrong? Oh shit, am I not feeding in S correctly? No, it should be fine. Yeah, letter. Longest, if not S, return. Print L and R. L and R 0 and 5, perfect. So we got E and E here. So when it's E and E, so when we get E and E, that's gonna be 1 and 4. Better return true, motherfucker. It's false. Why is it false? Alright, let me do this real quick. False. Okay, cool. Let's see. ET. Oh fuck. That's so stupid. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh no, that's the wrong. Fuck. Okay, whatever. Let's see what else. Okay, so we have EE, TT, TT, EE, RL. So L, R, so that's EE, TT, TT, and they cross paths. Why would they cross paths if they... Oh, it can't be less than. There it is. That's the... What the fuck? What's the issue, brother? Boom! There it is. Alright, now let's try the other part. That's... Cool, dude. Yeah, nice. Oh, wait, X isn't, no, it's just Pythonic shit, right? Nice. All right. Let's try it with all of them. So this should be either, no, it should be, this should be ABA or ADA. ABA or ADA. I think it's gonna be whatever finds it last. Yeah, so it works. But it's not pretty. And I'm not sure how you're supposed to do it pretty. Let's see. Let me try it. What am I at right now? I'm at 27. I'll give myself 5 minutes to try to figure it out optimally. And then I'll read the solution and then I gotta hop off stream. All right. And so longest substring, let's say we have letter, right? My original solution was, once we know that we have matching pairs, this is all we need to find because this will be longest. If we're starting from left and right, the less we go in, the longer it will be, right? And so here, there's no point in trying to search inside more because these will always be the longest. The problem comes when we have a kind of a asymmetric looking thing where it's like et and then LA, right? Now here is where our L and R is, right? So we somehow need to get R over here, so then we can call is palindromic. And then same vice versa. If this palindrome is on the right side, then how would we do that? I have no idea. Damn, my dog being loud. Let me see the solution. Yeah, I did not give myself 5 minutes. I'm low-key stressed about time because I have a lot of work to do. Okay. Oh, it's a medium question. That's right. That's right. I think yeah. I keep convincing myself it's an easy because it has to do with palindromes. In my head, palindromes are easy. Really not. Okay, 3 approaches, brute force. Well, let's see how mine performs. It's probably not gonna be very pretty, but yeah, my biggest thing was I was between trying to get an optimal solution and doing the brute force one at the same time, so my brain was kind of like frozen low key. Why would I do that? Hold up. Oops. Is palindrome bet. Fuck, dude. My dog loud right now. Yeah. I think that's all I needed. Run, please. Yeah, run. If I submit that bitch. Oh, I gotta log in. Hold up. AFK. Alrighty. Let's see if this even works. Rough. Is it because of this? No, it's not. Whoa. 87. Give me an 87. Boom, 87. Oh, that's right. A palindrome is one letter. Shit, bro. Just give me a solution, bro. How'd you do it, motherfucker? Did I ever solve this? Oh, no, I never. Okay. What, bro? This was the brute force? No, this is the brute force. So it's kind of what I was doing, but instead of doing left and right, they did left and right are right next to each other. Wait, no, I is at the end, so I'm tripping. Why didn't they include? Wait, give me a sec. Krishna, I use LPS for today's prob. What the fuck does that mean? Welcome though. What do you mean LPS? Oh, for today's problem. Let's see. So they started I at the end, and then J is I plus 1 until the len of S. What is S? The len of string. Longest prefix suffix array. Was that for the daily problem today? But you crazy. You crazy. Enumerate all palin. Starting from mastering. Let me try to draw this out. Get rid of this guy. Congrats, man. I haven't done it yet. That's why I was confused by what you were saying. Tired as fuck. Okay. Longest palindrome. So we have expand from the center. Okay, so base case, if it's less than 1, return what it was. Expand from center, left and right. Well, left is greater than 0, right is less than the len of s, and left to right, return s left plus 1 plus right. So if s and left are the same, then we move L down, right, up. What? Okay. And then max string is s of 0. So this is what we're updating. And then for I in range of len of s minus 1. That's crazy. I would have never done this. That's crazy. I would have never done that shit. What is this? That's crazy. Okay. I'll be right back. All right, we back. Let's figure how this works out conceptually, and then I gotta do my schoolwork and my work. Okay. What the fuck? What is this? The hard one? Maneker's algorithm. Chill. I don't want to do that. Dynamic programming. Boolean table. Okay. This one looks less intimidating. So let's say we have letter, right? For I in range of len, so we're taking I from here to the end. And then odd equals expand from center, I. So expand from center, 0, 0. So odd equals expand from center, 0, 0. So left is 0, right is 0. If left is 0 and right is less than 0, well, yeah, it's true. And they equal each other. They will equal each other. Left will go down 1. So left will go down 1. So now left is -1. Right is 1. So it's not greater than 0. So we stop. and then we return s of -1 to of 0 to 1, which will just give us the first letter, L. So odd is L. Interesting. Odd is L. Even L. Okay. Even. What's up, Mohammed? Studied KMP earlier and knew it was the same thing. Very nice, bro. I gotta do more studying because these patterns don't stick. At least not right now. That's why I'm doing this. Cool. All right. Even will be expand from the center I plus 1. So I right now is 0. So we're expanding from 0 for 0. And then this is left and this is right. And then 1. And so what this changes is it's greater than equal, less than. They equal each other? They don't equal each other. So we just return 0, 1, and it's just L. What is the point of this? So if this really don't make sense to me. Doing good, Mohammed. How are you? I'm about to hop off because I gotta do work, but I'm trying to fit in some work before I do that. Some of this LeetCode work before I do that. So we have max string s is 0 and max length is 1. Every single character is a palindrome. True. Now we will iterate over the string. For every character, we will expand around its center. Oh, so that's what it does. So around here, we expand here and here. Oh, so I see. You're taking I, and then you're moving I through the array, and then from I is going to be the center point of the palindrome, and you're moving out until there's no more matching letters. And that's crazy. What's up, Philip? I have an internship. Oh, I see. That's actually really smart. An odd length. Okay, so odd and okay, so we're keeping track of 2. If it is a palindrome like that, we gotta do the odd, or if it's a palindrome like that, we gotta do it even. And they pretty much work the same way, where even will have left and right here, and then odd will have that. That's why this is the same, and then this is the. That's crazy. I can't believe I didn't think of that. Shit. Keep track of maximum, and then you update the maximum. You just go from the center out. Ah, damn. Okay. I do have a LinkedIn account, but I don't think it's smart to share my LinkedIn on public like that. But if you ever need to message me about something, just join the Discord. I'm very active on the Discord. Shit, bro. Where's everyone from, by the way? That's crazy. That's actually crazy. And then this will just track, like, if it's within bounds, and if left and right equal each other, then you keep going until you don't, and then you return the slice. Oh shit, what's up, fellow Texan? That's crazy. Okay. Well, that's a cool way to do it. So I always go from the outside in. I never thought about doing inside out, even though it's kind of makes sense. What's up, bro? What time is it in Algeria? Right now it's 3 p.m. So it might. Yeah, I stay in South Texas. I mean South America. Not South America. South USA, United States. All right. So dynamic program. I never done dynamic programming, so this will be my first one. Prove our we will observe initialize a Boolean table. Mark all values as false for in range of Maneker's algorithm. What the fuck? Fuck that shit. All right, I think I got my solution. Damn, 2129. God damn, bro, go to sleep. But I think I got at least one better way of doing it than the brute force way I did. So I'm happy. I'm gonna end the stream so I can work on my other work. But thanks for stopping by. I'll try to make this more. I'll try to do streams more often around this time because it seems like there's a couple people here. But yeah, peace out.